Traveling soon? Don't get lost at the airport. Learn these 20 must-know English sentences that will make your trip so much easier. Check-in and tickets. Where is the check-in counter? I would like to check in, please. Here is my passport and ticket. Do I need to check in my luggage? How many bags can I carry? Security and boarding. Where is the security checkpoint? Do I need to remove my shoes and belt? Where is gate 12? When does boarding start? Is this the right gate for flight number? On the plane / in transit. Could I have a window seat, please? Could I have an aisle seat, please? Is my flight on time? Excuse me, where is the restroom? Can you help me with my seat? Arrival and luggage. Where can I collect my luggage? Is there a lost and found? Where is the taxi stand? How do I get to the city center? Thank you for your help. That's it. These 20 essential airport sentences are all you need to speak confidently in English while traveling. Practice them before your next trip, and you'll feel ready to communicate anywhere. Don't forget to like, share, and follow Fluent English Journey for more daily English tips. See you in the next video.